An update now in an ongoing First Coast News investigation into a list of police officers with credibility problems known as the Brady List. By law, prosecutors must disclose when those officers are involved in a criminal case. Most officers on the list have quit or been fired, but one who was on the list until we first reported on this in February fought to get his name off the list and won, despite a judge's order finding him evasive and not credible. On Your Side's Ann Schindler has continued to track this evolving story and brings us three important updates.
This officer spent 4 years on the Brady List after this judge found his testimony so unreliable he threw out the case. Sergeant J.C. Nobles has always protested being on the Brady List, and after we reported on it, this chief assistant state attorney agreed to ask the judge to, quote, clarify his 2018 order. That order finding that Nobles was evasive, not credible, and, quote, completely and materially changed his sworn testimony.
He's lying, is what it said.
This attorney believes the order was unambiguous, but despite the case being 4 years old and closed, the judge issued a new opinion in April, saying he never meant to suggest the officer was lying. Prosecutors took Nobles off the Brady List. Now, this group of criminal defense attorneys is objecting. In this May 2nd letter, they demanded State Attorney Melissa Nelson put Nobles' name back on the list. She declined. In this May 24th letter, they doubled down, saying prosecutors have, quote, now taken on the role of Sergeant Nobles' lawyer, creating an inherent conflict that will require them to recuse themselves from any future case involving Nobles. The state attorney didn't respond. We also obtained the draft version of the judge's recent order. Unlike the final version, which was 2 pages and denied the request for clarification, the draft version was 16 pages and granted the request. In the draft, the judge says despite having no jurisdiction in the case, he was entering the order to, quote, explain and repeat what should have been obvious and straightforward. That claim did not appear in the final version. As of now, Sergeant Nobles remains on the street and off the Brady List. Ann Schindler, First Coast News, on your side.